everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 7 Anupam Social Science Civics Chapter 8 Struggle for Equality. Questions and Answers. Exercise 1. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answer. 1. When was the National Human Rights Commission constituted? A. 1994. B. 1995. C. 1993. D. 1996. Answer C. 1993. 2. Who had inspired Martin Luther King Jr.? A. Nelson Mandela. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. P.T. Nehru. D. George Washington. Answer D. George Washington. 3. Who was the first black president of South Africa? A. Nelson Mandela. B. Martin Luther King Jr. C. Dr. Mugabe. D. None of these. Answer A. Nelson Mandela. 4. When was Dalit Panther, an organization for the Dalits, formed? A. 1974. B. 1973. C. 1972. D. 1970. Answer C. 1972. 2. Give short answers to the following questions. 1. Who established the Satya Shodhak Samaj? Answer Jyotiba Phule founded Satya Shodhak Samaj in Pune, Maharashtra, on 24 September 1873. It was a reformational society that promoted education, increased social rights, justice and political access in the deprived sections. 2. Kanshi Ram mobilized Dalits under the banner of 2 organizations. Name these organizations. Answer Kanshi Ram founded Dalit Shoshit Samaj Sangharsh Samiti DS4, the All India Backwards SC, ST, OBC, and Minorities Communities Employees Federation BAMCEF in 1971 and the Bahujan Samaj Party BSP in 1984. 3. The Kisan Adivasi Sangathan in Tawa was fighting for an important issue. What had they been demanding? Answer Tawa Matsya Sangh is a federation of fish workers cooperatives. It is an organization fighting for the rights of displaced forest dwellers of the Satpura forest in Madhya Pradesh. In 1994, the government gave private contractors the rights to fish in the Tawa reservoir. 4. What came to be known as the Tawa Matsya Sangh? Answer Tawa Matsya Sangh also known as TMS, is a federation of fish workers that fought for the rights of displaced tribals and was successful in gaining the fishing rights in the Tava Reservoir. 5. The Tava Matsya Sangh presents an example of an excellent cooperative enterprise. Mention any two achievements of this organization. Answer: the newly formed Tava Matsya Sangh organized rallies and road blockade, demanding their rights to continue their fishing right in Tava Reservoir for their livelihood. Finally, a committee set up by the government recommended that fishing rights should be granted to the villagers for their livelihood. 3. Answer the following questions. 1. People have the right to vote. Do you agree with the view that political equality is meaningless without economic equality? Answer: yes, this is reality. The political equality is meaningless without economic equality. 2. Equality before law is a principle held dear in all civilized societies. Can the rich and the poor be really considered equal before law? Answer: equality before law is a principle held dear all civilized societies. Can the rich and the poor be really considered equal before law? Yes, they can be considered equal by giving them equal opportunities in all the platforms. 3. Name the leader of the American Civil Rights Movement in the 1950s. Name the two laws which established firmly the legal equality of African Americans in the 1960s. Answer: Martin Luther King Jr. rose to prominence in the 1950s as the leader of the American Civil Rights Movement. The Civil Rights Act of 1965 at last established firmly the legal equality of African Americans. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Like, subscribe, share,